I think the consensus is that we would like to try to utilize SEVIS during the rodent ops tomorrow, considering the longer duration of rodent ops and the relatively short-ish duration of SEVIS ops for each person.
Hey Drew, thanks for checking with everyone on that, and we copy that. Should we need to put that into place? And then second, we do understand that there are a couple of folks that do not like video while they are exercising. And so big picture-wise, that video is restricted, and it's only being sent to the folks working rodent ops. And so we were wondering if it would be okay to leave that that Node 2 big lab camera view enabled, or would you like us to not have that in place when the folks don't want the video up?
We're okay with you leaving the video up for this for these days that we need you. Let's see what's during those ops.
Hey, copy that. And we really do appreciate that. Okay, Drew, that's all that I have for you at this time. We just wanted to make sure that we were pressing forward with a good plan for you guys tomorrow. We're still thinking about T2, and so we have some words for you. We'll give you a call later on.
Okay, copy that. Thanks for thinking about trying to work something in tomorrow. We appreciate it.
So I believe this is the T2, and they shut it off. So I'm going to upload now.